Hi guys, this is the my packet for lock noobs out of the packet SPP challenge. There's a padlock in here which I'm going to get out and attempt to pick straight away. So let's get it open, see what we've got. Okay, got some mini fried eggs. I think that's part of the challenge. Okay, this is the padlock.
First challenge game.
So, it's just to make sure I'm not cheating this. Alright, so there we go. It's a little master lock, keyless thing. Pop that in the vise. Just wait for that to focus. There we go. Okay, so start the clock using pin side tension. I'm not going to say very much because this is a competition. Start the back. I believe I'm the first person to have this particular lock. I don't have a baseline in terms of time to work to. I've got a 15-minute limit, so ouch. Feel that lactic acid building up in the hand. No, it's nothing to do with adrenaline. Ooh. Well, that go wasn't working very well. try a different pick, I think.
Yay!
I don't know what time that was, about 5 minutes anyway. Fiddly little lock that. So I'm going to package this up now and send it on to the next guy, and good luck to whoever that is. Cheers guys.